Hey guys, this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to restrict your Instagram page for certain age. So if you want to restrict your page for certain age on Instagram, you can do it by using this feature of Instagram. First you need to log into that particular page, and now you need to click the three-line icon at the top right corner of the screen. After this you need to click on the setting option. Under setting option you need to choose the creator option, and you can see here there is the option of minimum age. Click on it, and here you can set for certain age. You can restrict your user to that certain age, like require people to be a certain age to see your content including your profile, post and story. So if your content is not for any user for certain age, you can restrict that user to that content. So if I set a 14 year minimum age, below 14 year minimum age, no one will be able to see my Instagram profile pic, post and story. And if I want to select any specific country, like if I set a default 14 year, but I want to allow people of Canada or anything, any country else to see my content, I can allow them, and I can add a age for them also, like add a minimum age for Canada 10, and for default it is 14. So this is the way to restrict your content for certain age on Instagram. I hope this guide was helpful. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and visit our website alphabetazone.com.